Lesson 8 introduces you to the idea of the greatest common factor, also referred to as the GCF. So if you're given a set of terms like x squared, x third, and x to the fourth, the greatest common factor between them is x squared, because it's in every factor. It's in here. X to the third is x times x squared, and x to the fourth is x squared times x squared. Remember, so x squared is in every one of them. So that's your greatest common factor. If you have an equation such as 5y squared minus 10y to the y cubed, you can only pull out a value that is in each section, that has each section. So technically there's a 5 in each section. A 10 can be broken down into 5 times 2. So I'll pull out the 5 as part of it. And then you can also pull out y squared, because y cubed is y times y squared, right? So you can pull out 5y squared, oops, not y with it. And what you're left with, so if you take 5y squared out of 5y squared, you're left with 1. And then minus, if you take 5y squared out of 10y cubed, you're left with 2y. So 5y squared is your greatest common factor in that equation. I'll do one more. So if you have, using only variables so that you can see that it doesn't really matter, ax plus ay plus az. So you're given this equation, you have to look for what's in common in each of the factors. So a is the only thing in common, and then you're left with x plus y plus z. So a is the greatest common factor in this equation.